Hello everybody, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming my super highly requested, my what I got for Christmas for 2018. So I've done one of these videos for the past 2 years I think. Oh my god, this is my third one, I'm pretty sure. It might be my second, no I think it's my third. You guys seem to absolutely love seeing what I got, I'm not really sure why. And also I'm super nosy and I love like watching these videos and seeing what other people get for Christmas. So yeah, make sure to give the video a massive thumbs up if you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And before we get started, I need to do the typical disclaimer, which is I'm not trying to brag or boast in any way, shape or form. I'm so grateful for every single thing that I got and I genuinely love everything. I'm only doing this video because you guys have asked for it a lot. Like I've already had so many messages telling me to do this video. I'm not trying to brag, I know I'm still going to get hate whether I say that or not, but deep down I know that I'm not trying to brag. Christmas is not about receiving gifts, it's about spending time with your family, celebrating the birth of Jesus. You guys just want to see what I got, so without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I'm going to start off with the presents which I got from my mum and dad. So my main present I'm literally so happy about and like I love it so much. So they got me a Michael Kors handbag. It's literally so nice. It's like black leather and it's got like the little Michael Kors keyring thingy mabob on the front, and then it says Michael Kors in gold writing, and then it's just black leather because I think black just goes with every outfit. And it's literally the perfect size. Like it's not too big but it's not too small. It's like the perfect little bag to put like your purse in and your phone, and it fits on my shoulders so nicely. I'm definitely going to wear it like all the time because it's just such a gorgeous bag, and thank you so much mum and dad. So obviously this bag is very expensive, so I didn't expect a lot of other things, but I did get a few other things which I'm so happy about, so thank you so much. So the next thing which I got from my parents is this Ariana Grande perfume set. It's the Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande gift set. Basically I already have this perfume here, but it's like got the tiniest bit left, so I really wanted a new one, and I prefer this scent to the new Moonlight one. I've actually got it on my Alex drawers over there. And you don't only get the 50ml perfume, you also get a mini one which is so cute, which I'm going to put in my handbag. And you also get this little headband with pom-poms on, which I think is so cute. And I'm definitely going to use it to keep my hair out of my face when I do my makeup. So yeah, thank you so much for this gift set. I absolutely love it. And the next thing which I got from my parents was some jeans from Topshop. These are the Topshop Joni high-waisted jeans, and I'm just going to get them out of the bag so you can see them because I haven't actually got them out yet. They look like this. They're just so nice. Like they're just like the perfect blue colour. They're coming up like a different colour on camera. They're coming up a lot brighter. They're not as bright as that in real life. These long skinny high-waisted jeans, and they've got these really nice like rips down the legs, and I've got the same pair in grey and I literally wear them all the time, so I'm so happy that I have a blue pair because I love blue jeans. I'm really happy with these, so thank you very much mum and dad. They also got me a few makeup bits. So they got me the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is just what the box looks like. It's so pretty, and let's get the mascara out. It looks like this, and I'm literally so happy with it. I haven't tried it yet, but I wanted to try it out for ages, so I'm so excited too because I've heard really good things about it. And my favourite Benefit mascara has just run out. Yeah, I'm going to try this out tomorrow I think. Yeah, thank you so much mum and dad for that. I absolutely love it. And then they also got me some bits from Beauty Space. So the first thing is the Zoeva Spring Strobe Spectrum Highlight Palette. This is just what the box looks like. It's so nice, I love the packaging. And then I'm just going to open it up and it looks like this. And here are all the highlight shades, or the plastic sheets there. Here are all of the highlight colours. They look literally the same on camera, but yeah, they're pretty similar in real life, but like they're so pigmented. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, but other than mascara, but they're so pigmented, and I was in desperate need of some more good highlighters because the ones which I have aren't very good. So yeah, I'm so happy with this, and I've already started using them, and they're just so pretty. So yeah, thank you so much for that. And then they also got me this Wet n Wild little eyeshadow quad. It's the Walking on Eggshells one. I've wanted this for so long because Wet n Wild's only just recently come to the UK. It used to only be sold in America. So yeah, I'm so happy with this because I love the colours in there. You get like a really nice pink and some bronzy colours. You just get everything you need for like the perfect neutral eye look. So yeah, I'm so happy with that, so thank you. And then to go with that, they also got me this little Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. I was in desperate need for some new eyeshadow brushes, so yeah, I really like this one. It looks really soft and really fluffy, and I've heard really good reviews about it because I picked it out on Beauty Bay. They also got me a couple of little other bits. So they got me this little rose gold like ornament thingy-majig. If you didn't know, I absolutely love rose gold. I have a lot of rose gold in my room, so I think this is going to be perfect to put on my like shelf on my wall. So yeah, I absolutely love this. And if you didn't know, my name's Louisa, so I've got an L for my name. And then the next thing they got me are 2 scrunchies from Claire's. I literally love these so much. They're like velvet, so I've got this like grey velvet one. It feels so nice, and like I just love scrunchies because I feel like scrunchies are like really in at the moment. I think they look really nice in your hair. And I also got the same but in pastel pink. And if you didn't know, grey and pastel pink are like my favourite colours ever. I also think they look really nice on your wrist as well, so yeah, I cannot wait to use these. Lastly, my parents got me some chocolate bits because, I mean, what is Christmas without getting chocolate? So they firstly got me this massive Cadbury milk tray chocolate box. I love milk tray. I just love Cadbury chocolate, so yeah, I cannot wait to eat these. And then they also got me this Maltesers selection box. Again, I absolutely love Maltesers, and I love like the little Maltesers reindeers that comes in here. So yeah, thank you so much for this. I cannot wait to eat it. And then lastly, they got me a Terry's chocolate orange. I mean, I love chocolate oranges, so I've already eaten it, so I've kind of just got like an empty box with the wrapper inside. So yeah, thank you for that. And that's everything which my parents got me, so thank you so much, Mum and Dad. I literally love everything. There's not one thing that I don't like. I'm so grateful, and I love you both very much because I know you're watching the video right now. I'm now going to move on to other family members, so like grandparents and auntie and uncles and people like that. So I'm going to start off with my grandma and granddad. I'm literally so in love with what they got me, so thank you so much, grandma and granddad. And they got me something from Tiffany. I've never had anything from Tiffany before, so I was literally so excited when I opened this. It came in this gorgeous little Tiffany box. Just the Tiffany blue is just so cute. Let me just open it up. Oh my god, I just love the packaging and everything. So you open the box and it comes in another bag. There's so much packaging, oh my god. Okay, and they got me let me get it out. They got me a necklace, and literally so surprised. Like, I literally so shook. Like, I've wanted one of these necklaces for so long and it's tangled. This is just what it looks like. I literally put it on as soon as they got it for me because I love it. And I'm going to wear it every single day. I know it is a really expensive gift to get. It's just one of these things which you keep forever. So yeah, I'm literally going to wear it every day until I'm old. Thank you so much for this, grandma and granddad, if you're watching this. And if that wasn't enough, they also got me this massive box of Thornton's chocolates. I absolutely love Thornton's chocolate. I also had a Thornton's advent calendar. These chocolates are just so good and I cannot wait to eat them. Thank you so much, grandma and granddad. My other grandma and grandpa got me some money, so thank you so much for that. I'm definitely going to spend it on something useful. And then my auntie and uncle on my dad's side got me a £20 Topshop voucher. So thank you so much for this. Topshop is my favourite shop, so I'm so excited to spend it on something. And then my other auntie and uncle on my dad's side got me a £20 voucher, and it's one of the ones that you can spend at like all of these shops. You can basically spend it at like any shop you want, so like Boots, Topshop, New Look, Pizza Express, River Island, TK Maxx, Debenhams, like any shop basically. So excited to spend it, and yeah, thank you very much for that. Okay, and then moving on to my mum's side of the family, my auntie and uncle got me the bigger and bolder brows like gift set from Benefit. I've always wanted like one of these Benefit eyebrow gift sets because I love doing eyebrows. I haven't actually filled my eyebrows in today, but I'm definitely going to use this later. I'm literally in love with this gift set. Like, I was so happy when I opened it, you have no idea. Yeah, it just comes in this gorgeous tin, and then inside you get 3 products. So you get the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, you get the highbrow pencil, and you get the Cabral like pomade kind of thing, and you also get some eyebrow stencils, which is really good. So basically it just helps you out with your brows, and it also comes with this little booklet which tells you exactly what to do with everything. So I'm so excited to have nice brows after using this kit. So yeah, thank you so much for this. And then my other auntie and uncle on my mum's side got me these rainfall fairy lights. I've wanted these for so long, and I'm just going to pop them on this wall here. So now we're going to have a really nice background because I feel like this wall kind of looks plain. So yeah, I'm excited to put these up. So yeah, thank you so much for these. I absolutely love them, and I think they're going to look really cool and cute in my room. And then moving on to the last gift of the haul, which is so sad because I'm not going to be able to film another one until next year. From my dad's best friend and his wife, he got me this Bayliss and Harding gift set. I think it's so pretty. It comes with this really cute like rose gold box, and then this one which is like rose gold as well because I love rose gold. And inside here you get a body polisher, a body wash, a shower cream, a hand cream, a body lotion, and bath soap crystals. So yeah, that's so cool. Thank you so much for this. I'm definitely going to reuse the boxes as well because I think they look really nice in my room. Thank you very much for this. It was very kind of you. And that is everything which I got for Christmas. Actually, I also got a dress, pretty little thing, for an early Christmas present because I got it before Christmas, but I wore it on Christmas, but it was like an early one, so thank you for that, Mum and Dad. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I got. I also got a few bits from friends, but like they got me them ages ago, so they're kind of just like put away in places around my room. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and let me know down below what you got for Christmas, and if you want me to do a birthday haul as well, because my birthday is on the 28th of January. I'll see you guys all soon for a new video. Bye!